Sun's up, what's up everyone to another episode. My name is Wally and today I'll be showing you guys how to add an engine scoop overlay on your 2015 Subaru WRX and hopefully you'll get something out of it. So the things you need are the overlay, which I got the 3D carbon fiber overlay from subispeed.com, a spray bottle of soapy water, a heat gun or a hairdryer, and a microfiber tool. So before I began, I actually used the soapy water and wiped down my car before I actually started. I didn't want any debris or grime underneath the overlay. Once that's all cleaned off, I removed the overlay from the material and I sprayed both the scoop and the overlay with the soapy water. This will make it a lot easier to slide the overlay into position. While the overlay is still wet, carefully place that overlay in place. Smooth out all the creases in that overlay. Use the low heat from the heat gun, or you can also use a higher heat on hairdryer, which I used. This heats up the adhesive and allows the material to stretch and fit all the contours. Once you're done with all of that, smooth out the overlay and wipe down any excess moisture, and you're done. And just a quick note, allow 24 to 48 hours before washing your car. Anyways guys, thanks for watching my video. If you liked anything at all, please give me a like. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys next week. Thanks again for watching. You guys have a good one.